What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Tony Blackman here, Director of Operations with Paramount Property Investments. Right now, I'm at a single-family residence here in Akron, Ohio. I'll find the light switch. Okay. So, this property's actively in the market for $30,000. Pretty much turnkey. I think it'd be a great rental property. Even at $30,000, I think it's a great buy for a landlord. It's a 3-bedroom property. Could be rented out for about $650 a month in this area. So you got a great cap rate on that. So we may purchase this and put it back on the market, or we may just wholesale it to another investor. Property has a brand new furnace and water tank. It actually has another bedroom back here. So yeah, we have the best real estate deals in the country. So if you're a landlord and you're looking for a consistent stream of great deals, whether it's fix and flip or turnkey properties or fixer-upper properties, definitely consider visiting our website, www.investparamount.com, or just contact me directly at 330-685-2220.